just formality. Initiation is going on. And then another is called the Paramarthiki. We come. Then Paramarthiki again also two type Vedic what is called Pancharatriki and Pancharatriki Diksha, and it's called Bhagavatiya Diksha. So that time the Guru is realizing these things. He is coming with me take Diksha, pretending or really he wants to do this. This idea I told, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada also told, that person he came in front of the blacksmith and gave the one iron piece. Next day he come, he also gave the sword, I gave you to them, that and he gave. So, no, I gave you steel, but you gave him, well, no, what you gave, I gave you that same thing. That means what kinds of heart is showing to me, I am giving to you, pretend to me, I pretend to you. This is the process. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, this example he has given in these things. Generally, bona fide Guru, he also not so to what is called reject his disciples. But those who are pretenders, pretending, they will kapat. That time he is. That is called. So Gaura Gopal Maharaj is saying, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Guru is called Patit Pavan. We are saying that Patit Pavan Gurudev, Patit Pavan Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Guru and Gaura Gopal Maharaj is saying Guru and Mahaprabhu is not Kapat Pavan. These are things. You cannot cheat. Kapat means duplicity, hypocrisy. That give an example also. So, what is his name? Vatsasur, he came in front of Krishna. They manifested in the form of and calf. Krishna knows or not? Krishna knows or not? Krishna knows. This Vatsasur is the significance of Kapat disciples. They are Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, not Bhaktivinoda Thakur, giving all the Asuras significance. So Vatsasur is the what is called? Kapat. But Krishna knows to him. Okay, you have come here. Okay. Then Vatsasur coming very close, because Krishna also have what is called crossing to the neck of all the cups and big line, big queue. Then also coming. Then other cups also ran away here and there because bad smell coming. Krishna knows everything. But when and Vatsasur, his Asura demon. No, Vatsasur is thinking, when Krishna will caressing to me, and that with my hind legs, I will bitterly beat to Krishna, Krishna will die. This is Kapat. And Krishna is thinking, you cannot kill me. I am Bhagavan. I know your heart. So when he coming, then when Vatsasur coming very close to Krishna, and Vatsasur is very ready to with his hind legs beat to Krishna. But before hit to Krishna very quickly caught his hind legs and also moving and throw. So this is the same way, Guru and Krishna knows the heart of disciple. Oh, this is Kapat disciple. So he will help us will accept. This is the thing. This is the thing. This is the process also. But generally this type case is very, very rare. Very, very rare. Kapat disciple coming. Some coming also. Kapat disciple coming. Oh, if I stay with Gurudev money is a lot of money. Gurudev, many people are giving dakshin. So Gurudev will give to money, then I put in my pocket. This type also, many also coming. This way. There are many also coming. So that type of Kapat disciple. That time Guru, he did not accept to him. This is the simple. Because generally disciple is coming, he is very soft Shraddha. Tasmat Gurum Prapadyet Jiggasu Siruptam Sabde Paricha Nisnatam Brahmanupasu. Or another slope. Tadgurum. No, you have to approach that guru to take your thumb. Tad Vijnanartam Su Gurum Eva Abhigatya Samit Pani Satriya. Samit Pani means is what? Pani means hand. Samit means Samidha. Samidha means, that is the general meaning Samidha, when you fire sacrifice, the ingredients mixed, 5 ingredients mixed, and throw the fire sacrifice, that is called Samidha. Here disciple Samidha is what? Disciple Samidha, that is called his heart, this Shraddha. Disciple is the soft Shraddha offered to Gurudev. General way, this is that. Very rare kapat disciple coming. So when your soft Shraddha, then Guru accepts. Guru knows, it's Shraddha or not. Is Vatsasur or not? So when Vatsasur, that disciple Guru not accept. That is called kapat. Kapat disciple.
Everyone has some kapat. Everyone, I have some kapat in my house.
Different kind of kapats. What kapats? If I stay with Gurudev, then Gurudev's money, Gurudev, everything I will take. That kinds of kapat. Another kapat is what? Lust, anger, that's another kapat. Kapat, there are different kinds of kapat, duplicity and hypocrisy. But these types of disciple coming in front of his Guru, just that is called the what is called? Rubbing. Guru stealing. These types of.
Okay.
Guru not
Accept.
But still he is coming. That time, if he still his Guru, and Guru also slowly try to destroy all his anarthas. Then when disciple will come in the stage of Ruchi Dasa, then he understands. He is the first.
Like the pujari that stole the earrings like gold from the Thakurji, right?
Yeah,
Your lotus feet are mine, everything.
Yeah. This also disciple. Gurudev, everything belongs to you. By lotus feet are mine. That is what disciple. That kapat disciple. Gurudev accepted him or not? That types of disciple Guru does not accept. She is showing this thing. But disciple thinking Guru accepts me. This is the general.
Good fortune for that jiva. That jiva, Samas Kapata, they know the setting. This is meaning it's good fortune, not come, not came.
They are coming, the Sukriti maybe anyhow. Sukriti also. Guru knows everything. But Guru is thinking, okay, anyhow, I will make his Sukriti. And he is taken to Mahaprasad. Anyhow Sukriti will come. Sai Maharaj always saying, take Mahaprasad, chant holy names. If you take Mahaprasad knowingly, unknowingly, also Sukriti will come. And if you chanting holy name, no problem. Namaparad, no problem. Chant holy name.
Sometimes he interferes, he helps that disciple more. Some disciples. Maybe some disciple has some kapat, and that guru goes and helps him even more. Maybe sometimes he's only looking, but sometimes, like Gurudev, when Prem Prayojan left sannyas, many times Gurudev saying, I want him to take again. So much saying, so much. Not like Vishaka he rejects, not speaking anymore. They were like this. Some difference.
Yeah, Guru so much Vatsalya Bhav. Vatsalya is parental mode with his disciple. Why Gurudev always will tell to him, Prem Prayojan, again I will give you sannyas, again come back. Why? Because he has material many qualification he has. That material qualification he served to Guru, then his life will be successful. He spoke very nicely and used many eloquent words and impress to charm the audience. That is his qualification. Guru knows. And that qualification is thinking he served to Guru and Vaishnava under guidance, Guru and Vaishnava, then his life will be successful. For this regard, he is Gurudev many times will told him, okay, you give up your wife, again I will give you Sanman. Again you stay. So, if anybody is good qualification, material qualifications, and apply to Guru, under guidance of Guru and serve to Guru Vaishnava, then it will have. Because Priti is what? Priti Sandarbha always saying this word, Japriti Abhivikana Vishesu Anupai. Whatever your activity towards materials, and that things just apply to Krishna. Always I am saying, just first gear to go to second gear. How to change the gear, not other things. Everybody has different kinds of qualifications. You cannot say anybody has no qualifications. Different qualifications. But material qualifications. Some also qualification to art. Understand? And that qualification he to serve to Guru and Krishna. That is successful. Gurudev gave so much respect to Samrani because his arts, that good qualification. And that's it, he also service to his Guru. But same Samrani would not come to Krishna consciousness. She can get lot of money, big building, big also Harisha, because she is artist. Understand? But she is that qualifications, art qualification, she served to Guru and Vaishnava logos, going to the Krishna. Bhakti is going this. Anybody's qualification is there. I told also him, Gurudev so many times beating to Harijane, who is playing kit. In Vrindavan, Gurudev also many times beating to that lady. Sasikala. In front of me, Gurudev. Gurudev, beating. Get out. Many times Gurudev. He's doing completely mad. But her qualification, good qualification, she bringing the people also. Many people he brought. And many people, good people, she also bring towards Guru. Externally Guru also had to, what is called? Chastising, but love and affection. Oh, anyhow, she is bringing. Even sometimes a crazy person shows some good qualifications. Guru looks the good things. Guru never looks the bad things. And that that bad things, Guru try to what is called, to apply to Krishna, who has no qualifications. You cannot say anybody has no qualification. All the living entities, some qualifications, good, bad qualifications. Understand? If one person is lusty, no problem. Okay, come Krishna Krishna. That's last you offer to Krishna. Kamat Goppa. Just to offer to Krishna. So,
Practically, how do you do it? Because you see, one Prema Bhakti Chandika Narottam Das Thakur saying, my lust, I'll engage in very much enthusiasm to serve Krishna. Like there's all enemies are engaged. One Kirtan he's saying, I don't know.
what?
One Kirtan in Prema Bhakti Chandika, Narottam Das Thakur is saying, my lust, I engage my lust in too much enthusiasm to serve Krishna. I engage my anger in those who offend Vaishnava. Like
That is slok is this is Kam Krishnarpane and Krodh Bhakta decision. If you are anger, that anger you apply to the those who criticize to Guru and Vaishnava. Qualification is there. That just is what. That qualification to apply to Krishna. Only one qualification you cannot serve. What is that? Envious. No, envious. Envious, this is not. This. That is called Matsarja.
But what does it mean, Dvesh?
This enviousness.
Because they're saying Gopya Kamat Bhaya Kamso Dveshak Charareo Nirva.
Desat means always, what is the name? Sisupal, always this means hingsa and criticize. Criticism coming from others and to jealousy to others.
But this Desh is different from Matsarja?
No, Matsarja is another thing. Matsarja saying one person is to prosperity and big, and I am lower. So I will try to how he will pull down and pull down to down.
Yeah, Gopalkrishna Maharaj, and one like to very funny saying like
This is called Matsarya. Matsarya, this word is come from Matsarata. Matsarata, what is your Matsarata? Matsa means fish. And you know, so Matsarata means, you know, when the female fish or they're giving the eggs, eggs, then you can sometimes you see the big lake where the slowly the stream are going and water is going, and that time big fish and giving the eggs, many eggs, thousand eggs are going. That time most of the big fish they are also eating. Why they are eating? No, I am going. They are what?
Oops. Here, Maharaj, come here. Come here because it's broken there.
Because that fish is thinking, oh, these eggs will coming big fish, and then he will be a rival with me. So for this reason, yes, when you give the egg, where is it? I saw in here, America or somewhere, we are when doing the walking, that is the one big fish. The stream is coming. I think America or somewhere. Yes, America. I was in Boston or somewhere. And morning walk and going. One the lake is there, and water is going very slowly. And big fish this. And they also see is leading the eggs. Very small. And behind her, many fish, other fish.
Eating.
Yeah. And in this some also eggs going, they cannot eat. That is what that is said. Are they thousand? If the all eggs transferred in the fish, there are no fish in the water. If one fish, she gives the eggs. They are saying how many millions? I forgot. They are giving that.
Many.
How many millions? And exactly all with also this. Because they are in the same snake also this way. But the snake with the what is called eggs, and when the small snake coming, that can see herself mostly also are. See it. This is but here the Matsarata means this. If he will be bigger to me, then nobody also give respect to me. So anyhow, I pull down. That is called Matsarata. So usually this word Matsarata. Matsa means fish. This word is coming. So this is called. This is not this types of qualities. You cannot serve to Guru and Krishna. This is should we reject these types of things.
when Indra, you know, he was big after he conquered everything. He defeated demons, and everyone was worshipping him. And then
Gurudev coming, Brihaspati came.
Envy he had envy.
That is not. That's a dishonor to Guru. For this regard, Indra lose his position. Brihaspati he realized, oh, my disciple, he does not want to me. I come to there. Indra is thinking, oh, Gurudev is coming, so I have to down. Then when Gurudev is sit, everybody worship Gurudev. Nobody also give respect to me. But then knowingly Indra, he also did not respect his Guru and not call to him. Then Guru also. This is called Guru Abhagga. For this regard, again Indra, he lose his position. This is the Bhagavad.
Hari Hari.